Hi everybody, today I've got something a little bit different to show you. It is an Astro Box Fan with a rotating 360 degree oscillation louvre grill. We don't get a lot of these over in the UK, but I was very lucky to come across this one on Facebook Marketplace. I went to collect it and the lady told me that she brought it back from Cyprus with her on holiday, but she didn't want it anymore, so it's in perfect working order as far as I can tell. So without further ado, I'll power her up to setting 1. So it's got a 40-watt motor, but on setting 1 it's really quiet, it's whisper quiet. It's really good for sleeping at night. But I really like that because it's got the ever so gentle hum of the motor. Setting 2 is, well, it's probably about 50% of the power. It's a good amount of power, gets the breeze out without too much noise. But setting 3, that's the whole 40 watts going through there. It's very powerful. I can feel that from over here on the other side of the room. But anyway, the main talking point about this fan is its rotating grill, as follows. So the grill rotates a whole 360 degrees. It's not like other box fans where some of the older models have the grill just powered by the circular motion of the wind itself. This one actually has a separate motor which engages just to spin the grill around, and it does go in either direction when it wants to. I don't know if it will now. There we go. If you do it a few times it will rotate in the other direction for you. And it even has a timer on here as well. You can engage that and it will time it for about an hour or so if you want it on, and then switch off just as it goes on to the little off feature there. But I'm very pleased with it. Very lucky to find one in the UK, as I said. We don't get many over here, many box fans at all, to be fair. I'll show you the spin down. And that concludes today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do consider subscribing because there'll be plenty more fan videos, restorations and repairs being uploaded on this channel over the next few months.